Now you can start the running the command.
So the first command was the make directory.
Yes. So you want to create a directory now. mkdir, that's the command. Mk means make directory. And then you give the folder name. In Linux, we don't call the folder, we call the directory. So again, you whatever name, as long as it is not exist, it will create immediately. Yep. So if there is no the bad command is coming means the execution happened successfully, which is good. And it really an interview question for everybody. It just check, do you have the Linux experience? That's how what do we do. Basically 3-4 command we ask, because you do not you are not a DevOps engineer, you are a developer or the QA. Your question is very basic, very high level. So now we created this. Now we can see this cd change directory.
In the folder name on the directory name,
We
that
can
will
go
be
there like this, or we can see he was running the ls. Ls means I want to see if it is ready. Basically means if it is showing, it is really created for me. So you can do the ls to see if it is created. See, Asia is created. So in Linux, color combination is different. The folder color is different than the file color. But in the operating system Linux, everything is treated as a file. In Linux, everything treats as a file. Okay. So now you want to go in the Asia directory and do some action. Means you can create a file, you can create more folder. Basically, that's it. You can do it. You can actually extract your code here as well. No problem. So CD Asia, yeah,
change directory, then hit enter.
yeah. So here, one of the simple thing you need to know. If your folder name is large, right? You just type the first 1 or 2 character or 3 characters, not the folder name, and you hit tab. So it will actually ready for you. If there is a the name, multiple folders with the similar name, it will actually in the below there is a folder name will show you. What is the use case? You have like the 500 folders there, right? And then you just don't know the folder name or the all folder name. You just type it out, the first 3 character, and you hit tab. It will directly show you those folders name. So now you are in this change directory means cd change directory. So you're in this folder now.
So we can also verify are we actually in the folder. So do that with another command like pwd, like present working directory. So
Okay.
if you use this, so we can see and which directory we are currently now.
Exactly, path. Not only we are in this, it tells you are in this path now. Anytime Linux operating system allows many users to log in simultaneously. Means it is not the client-based operating system. So anytime you log in is called the home, and then your username Ubuntu. Remember we type the Ubuntu, and then your resource name. In this case, Asia. That's the reason. Okay. Is this your first the slide?
Yeah, I guess so. Let me check it.
So we are
Yeah,
going to
first
the
one.
slide by slide, so you guys will have everything else. Yep. I think we can stop this recording, right?
Yes,
So
we can
you can do
we can
multiple.
do yeah, we can
Yes.
do multiple folder in here
Yep.
also.
So let's create the multiple folders. So you'll learn how to create one folder. Now you can learn multiple folder. So
Yeah,
all you're creating the folder to organize your work. If I ask you why, what is the purpose? Organize my work. You should do this always. mkdir Bangladesh, then the USA and the UK, China. Yeah. So you're giving the space means it is going to create the 4 folders of the directory. Hit enter, you're good. ls, and you see that. You can go any of the folder just typing cd folder name. Simple.
I just type B and hit tab, then it will suggest me the folder name that which
Immediately.
yes.
Again, so we have done the mkdir, we created the one folder and we create the multiple folder. We have explored how to go into the folder. We also explored pwd means where I am now. Okay. So if you know this, the whole purpose of the mkdir to organize your work. That's it. The way you do in the Linux, the same way you should do. always you do your work organized way so that it is easy for other people to manage your work, to see your work, and then you become an organized person. That's the whole value of the organizing your work, creating the directory or the folder.